The remains of Hurricane Francine continue to dump moisture on the southeast. When it made landfall in Louisiana on Wednesday, it was a Category 2 storm, delivering winds of 100 miles per hour and 8 inches of rain in New Orleans. Across Louisiana, 350,000 homes lost power. Both Louisiana and Mississippi have declared states of emergency. Some of the areas hit are still recovering from 2021's Hurricane Ida.
Ida tore it still up and tore a back house up, so we didn't come out. We still trying to get everything straight with FEMA, restore Louisiana for a place to have a home again, and it's costing me money I don't have.
Residents of the region were warned of a possible 10-foot storm surge. In California, wildfires in the mountains east of Los Angeles destroyed dozens of homes and forced thousands to evacuate. The bridge fire is burning out of control and has scorched over 50,000 acres in Los Angeles County. In Orange County, the airport fire has consumed over 23,000 acres, about 36 square miles, and fire crews have only been able to contain about 5% of the inferno. Cooler weather may help firefighters in their quest to contain all of the blazes. In an attempt to prevent out-of-control events like these, the USDA announced a $3.2 billion wildfire crisis strategy, a plan to safeguard communities that interface with wildlands. The goal is to reduce the wildfire risk in 559 communities across the country.
Now, these resources are going to allow us to work with states, local governments, tribes, and nonprofit organizations working to promote healthier forests throughout this 14-state area and within these projects.
For Market to Market, I'm Peter Tubbs.